Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Google Docs with multiple tabs as a PDF. First, go to Google Drive and select the Google Docs file you want to download. Then right-click the file, choose Open With and click on Preview. In the top right corner of the preview window, click the print icon. When the print dialog appears under Pages, choose Custom and scroll through the preview to see which page numbers contain the actual content. Remember, each tab also appears as a separate page here. Enter the relevant page number, for example 2, 6, and then click Print. After that, set the destination to Save as PDF. The file will download with only the selected pages. As you can see, I have successfully downloaded pages from the multiple tabs. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.